Journee and Ivy, Educational Kidtainment.
Yeah! Oh my going home. You wanna go with me? Yeah!
What are the colors of the rainbow? What are the colors of the rainbow? What are the colors of the rainbow?
How are you today? This is Journee Ivy. You can do this.
Well, it's not really an experiment. We're really just putting some colors together to make a rainbow. You want to try?
Yes.
Okay,
I know rainbows.
You know rainbows?
Red,
Uh-huh.
orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and white.
Beautiful. Okay, so the first color we're going to put on the bottom of the rainbow. If you go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and what's the last color?
Violet.
Violet, that's right. And violet is like a purple color, right? So let's start with purple. Okay? We're going to mix honey and purple food coloring to go on the bottom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Honey.
It might be stir, Ivy.
Hey, you wanna do it again, ready? Yeah. Walk, hey, push it, just shoot. Hey. Mommy! Mom! The honey purple list.
Finish stirring it. Is it purple?
Yeah,
Let me see.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yes, purple?
It's pretty purple. See that?
Purple.
It's purple. So. Uh-oh, we spilled some, huh? Okay, let's pour it into the jar. Yay! Purple.
Yellow.
Purple. Okay, now what color will we need? Start with red, orange, then yellow, then green, then blue. So we need something blue. Just squeeze the blue soap into the measuring cup. Whoa. Okay, there we go.
That's enough.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough. Take an episode and get more blues.
Alright, now
Blue! The blue purple
pour
list.
the blue on top.
Blue, we're making a rainbow.
See?
Blue.
See it?
We can use some.
Spill some. It's okay. Two colors. Okay, so now we have two colors. What colors do we have?
Blue and purple.
Okay, so now let's go over the colors of the rainbow again. We have red, orange, yellow. What comes next?
Green.
Green. First, we need, yes, some water.
You make sure you fill up with water.
Okay.
It's important.
It's important to drink water?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Very important to drink water. A drop. That's really green, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Ivy. Can you stir that for me? All right. Be careful.
Green water is naughty.
Whoa. Be careful. Oh, goodness. You did it. All right.
You did it.
Gotcha. Mix it together. Oh, great.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Orange.
It's green.
Green.
Yes. All right. Let Mom put it in there.
It's water.
It's okay. Okay. Here we are.
Green.
Yep, watch guys.
going on?
Oh goodness, looks like it mixed together. But let's watch it and see if it'll separate. Here we are. Oh goodness. Let's see what happens. So the water should rise to the top. It's rising to the top.
It's rising. It's rising. It's rising. It's rising. It's rising. It's rising.
Purple, blue, and green is rising up there. Now, let's find what other color we should use. So we start with red, and then orange, and then yellow. The next liquid we will use is olive oil. Okay, Journey, let's see if we can pour the olive oil. Be careful.
What's going on?
Adding it too. Let's watch it.
Watching.
Olive oil.
Look.
Wow.
In the green. Look what happens in the green, Mom.
Yes. You see the different colors? Can you see purple?
Yeah.
You see blue?
Yeah.
And you see green?
Yeah.
And you see yellow?
Yeah.
So what are we missing?
Red.
Well, the next color is orange. But I think when we mix the red on top, it should make a little orange. Okay, Mommy will do the last one because it has to mix with alcohol.
No!
We don't want to make a mess of it.
What if you make a Mommy?
I'm gonna try not to. One little drop. Let's try to mix it really well. We have the red. Now, I'll pour red on top. Very carefully.
Whoa. Whoa. Walking. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Whoa. Let's play some snow yet. Click that like and subscribe button. Come on. It's missing an orange.
It does look kind of orange. And a little bit of red on top. So that means that alcohol is the least dense and honey is the most dense.
Honey is the mustard.
Honey is the most dense.
Don't forget the color of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Thanks for watching. Bye. I almost fall, like.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.